Hello guys, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta. It's day 24 of our lead code consistency, and we are working here for a DSA and on a DSA, and let's continue today. So today I took a question from a lead code. The question number is 3038. Okay, and the title is the maximum number of operation with the same source. Okay, so same score. Okay, so there's a particular score which is given, or maybe we have to obtain, and we have to find maximum number of operations. That what are the number of operations we have to need, so we get the particular same score. Okay, so as I told in my each and every video, that we have to develop an intuition. So the intuition we have to develop with this is that same score implies that what we have a particular score. Okay, don't go to my handwriting what I written, because I am using the mouse touchpad. Okay, so maximum number of operations. Okay, so maximum number of operation, that we have to perform the operation. It means we have to any two numbers to perform the operation, so at least we have to use two numbers. Okay, so there is anything operation we have to perform to find the particular same score, or kind of score. Okay, now continue with the question. It's an easy level of question. Description. Cut the description. So having easy level of question. Now, you are given an array of integer nums. Okay, so there is a array of nums, and having a num, having the integers. Okay, consider the following operation. Okay, delete first two element of nums and define the score of the operation as the sum of these two element. Okay, so what is the first one? We have to delete the two elements. Okay, so we have to use the first two element and sum them, and then find that define as the score operations. Okay, so the two elements used for the score, and the one this particular score is used to further. Okay, you can perform this operation until nums contain fewer than two elements. Okay, it means we have to continue the operation until the nums having only one element. Okay, additionally, the sum score must be achieved for all operations. Okay, so we have to additionally get remind that all the operations we are performing having the same score, which is obtaining from the first two. Okay, so return the maximum number of operations you can perform. Now continue with the example. There's an input of nums. Okay, just forgot about the output right now. Okay, now we having the first two. Okay, now we are deleting the first two element, that is a 3 and 4, dealing with the first two. So 3 and 2, what's the score is 5. So 5 is set as a score, and now we when we further move in the array, so we have to find that the next two will have also the same score. If there is a no next two will no have the same score, then we will terminate and just return that the only first two having the particular score. Okay, now if 2 plus 3 having a 5, yeah, so 5 is stored as a score, and 1 2 then remaining, what will be the remaining? 1 4 and 5. Now continue with the 1 and 4. Okay, so 1 and 4, what is the score is a 5. Now the what is the operation, sorry, what is the nums will have only 5, so it is a fewer than 2. Yeah, it's fewer than, so we have to stop here, because there is no operation performed on a single, because for addition we have to at least two numbers, and there's only one, so we stop here. And now the count is, first one is a 3 plus 2 equals to 5, and the second one is 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So there are total number of two operations as performed, so output will be 2. Same is here. Okay, now in example 2, what is it? So what is 1 plus 5? What is it? I will just using marker here. Okay, so 1 plus 5, it's 6, so 1 is here. Now 3 plus 3, what is it? It's again 6, so also 1 is here. Now 4 plus 1, it is 5, so not 6, so it will not count. And when it will false the condition, just break the whole and count the what are the numbers of the operation to perform. So it's 2, so we are heading the count as a 2. That's it. Okay, now moving forward with the 3, uh 5 and 3 as a nums. Okay, So is a 5 and 3 as the nums. So only two elements and operation is performed at what? Operation is performed the two elements. So 4 plus 5. What is it? 6, 7, 8. So 8. There is a further element that is fewer than 2. No. So only one operation is performed and then terminate. That's it. How we have to solve. Okay. Now constraints. Okay. What are nums dot length? It means the length of num. So it contain any elements, any number of element between 2 to 100. Okay. And the nums I, it means the particular element which is performed in the nums will be anything between 1 to 1000. Now this is what the description of the question having. Now continue with the code. So here is a max operation function is given and it was taking as a int nums as in as a parameter. Okay, now we have to find. First of all, we have to find the count that how many operations are here. Okay, so num of operation. I'm just using a relevant name. So num of number of sorry operations. Okay, number of operation. Now int score. For a right now, I'm just putting what will the score? The sum of the first. Okay, so nums 0 plus nums 1 will be what the score. Okay, now I am using a for loop and I will initialize it with the 2 because why array is starting from what index in 0 and 1, so 0 and 1 will be allocated, so I have to use them again. Okay, now if I have to start the loop from 2, so 2 3 and then 4 and 5 and then the 6 and 7, that's in further. Okay, so I'm starting with the 2 and I is less than equals to nums dot length minus 2 will be the last second element. I have to remember because the last second element, if that was 1, so it will just leave the last one. If they are the last two pairs, so it will just take the last two. Okay, now and for increasing I just using the num plus equals to 2 because I have to, because if we observe that how the elements are chosen, so let's think here's a 0 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Okay, this is the array, integer array. Okay, now 0 and 1 is what? 0 and 1 is the first pair. Okay, now 2 and 3 is second pair and 4 and 5 is second pair. Okay, on observing the first element, that is 0 2 and 4, what these all are? These are even. So what we need to iterate through 1 4 and 5. It is a waste of thing because we don't have to deal with the number of iteration with the 1 3 and 5. So to skip this 1 3 and 5, I'm just using I plus equals to 2. I'm using this. Okay, so what will happening? So when I equals to 0, it will just jump to 2. When I equals to 2, it will jump and update it with the 4. Again 4, then it will update it to 6. Again 6, it will update it to 8 and so on. Okay, so it all get the even numbers only. Now continue with the code again. So I is plus equal to 2. Now what I have to do? If nums I plus nums I plus 1 equals to what? Score. So what we have to do? We have to just increase the count by 1, and also this particular score is also be counted, and we are here starting the loop with the 2, so already a particular num operation is done. Num operation is done. Okay, now and then continue for next. Okay, now if the particular scenario that the at the particular even place the score was not satisfied, then what you have to do? We have to just break here immediately. Okay, now and after that we have to just, and after the immediate break we will get out of the loop and we have to just return what? Num operation, those are performed. Okay, so here is the whole thing is about the loop. If the loop is moving correct and having the correct output, then we will satisfy all things. Okay, now continue with the next things. uh, Start running the code, and the all three tests are passed. Okay, now again we have to submit the code and moving forward. Okay, so the runtime is 0 ms, and 100% beating is a quite good thing, and the memory is a acquired is a 41.37 MB and beating 97% of people. Okay, so this is what I can think about for the solution of this question. Maximum number of the operation with the same score 1. If you have an optimized code which will beat this what I am doing and give the more optimized code, so please comment down and pin into your comment, and I will definitely reply and check it. If there is a further thing that you have to tell me about the code and the question description which I have missed, so please tell me in the comment box. I will definitely see it and comment you and directly connect with you. And also, if you found that this video will help you in any manner, so please like, share, and comment. And also please subscribe my channel and please help me grow. Thank you.